Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. This is Andre from Dagubi. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to draw with watercolor brushes in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, I start with a new document, go to File and click on New. Change the color mode to RGB. Set the orientation to Landscape, click on this button and change the width to 340 millimeters and click OK. So for this tutorial we need some watercolor brushes. I use my own brushes, this Dagubi brushes. All these brushes sets are available on my website dagubi.com. So we need this watercolor brushes. The brushes look so. First choose a red color and start with this brush. The second set and the third set. So the next three sets are the same brushes but inverted. So the next thing what we need to do is you have to choose some different brushes for the branch. Choose this brush set, and for the branch I use only dark brushes, for example this. So we need about 6 different brushes. And this. Okay, the brushes looks so. Please choose brown color and create with the paintbrush tool a line. So select this line and change the brushes and you can see how the brushes looks. So very important, next thing, please make a double click on this brush, and now we have to change the colorization method from tints to tints and shades. Okay, and make the same with the other brushes. Okay, I start with my branch. Choose a paintbrush tool and one of these brushes, and now create a new line. I start with 1 point. So next important thing is go to the transparency and change the blending mode to darken. Okay, and continue with your brush. So now change the stroke, make it thinner. Please take every time a new brush. Okay, I think that's enough. So the next thing what we need to do is lock this layer and create a new layer. And now we need some brushes for the flowers, for the blossoms. I use this brushes set, and now I choose some brushes. I start with this brush, this brush. Okay, and this brush. Okay, I tried these brushes with pink color, so this color, and create a line. So in these brushes you have to change the colorization method, make a double click and change the method from tints to tints and shades. Okay, and make the same with the other brushes. Okay, delete these two shapes and now start with the first flower. So choose one of these brushes, change the color. Okay, and now very important, go to the transparency and change the blending mode to lighten. And now start with your flower, one point, and create a line. So take every time a new brush, change the stroke, make it a little bit smaller and create a second flower. By the way, please check out my YouTube channel and you will find the tutorial how to create watercolor brushes for Adobe Illustrator. Change the size. Okay, now I'll make some corrections. Move this. Oops, sorry. So next I'm going to apply more color for the flowers, and this time I choose this brush set, and I use, for example, this brush. So, and very important for the next steps, change the colorization method to tints and change the blending mode to multiply. So, and change the color to this yellow. And now start with the drawing. Oops, multiply. Okay, and change the color a little bit, make more variations. Change the size. Oh, this is too big. So next, please choose a very dark brush. I use these two brushes, and these brushes change the options, make a double click, and change the colorization method to tints and shades. So now we need a dark red color, like this. I try it here, okay. So now draw here in the center of the flowers. Okay, and now draw a little blossoms on this and this place. But do this with the first brushes, for example, this. So next, lock this flower layer and now make some corrections. So if you like, you can erase these lines. And that goes like this. First select this branch group and now go to Objects and click on Expand Appearance. So now hide edges and choose the eraser tool, and now you can erase these lines. Okay, that looks very well. So now create a new layer, lock this layer, and now I'm going to draw with splashes. So next I'm using some splash brushes. So I use this Dagubi splash brushes, and first I choose this brush. So make a double click on this brush and scale the brush scale options to scale proportionately. Click OK. So now I draw with this yellow. I try first. OK, and change blending mode to multiply. And now we can start. So change and take this brush, for example. Change the color. So now choose this brush. So and last, choose this brush. And now make a double click on this brush and change the options. Change it to random. That's it, I'm finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please press thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to see more of my tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Hope to see you soon.